Hey, what's going on, guys? Go Monkey King 0. Last video we ended up with defining the move list, defining the add move function to actually being able to add move into the move list. Also we did implement the print move and print move list function. So let's first open the terminal in the current working directory and by typing make debug actually compile and run the code and BBC to run this. So here is the draft of our print move list, which was populated artificially, basically. And now we need to replace all the print statements within the generate moves with this add move function. So to make sure to set appropriate flags, because otherwise the make move function would have no idea like how to make some board alterance in case of in peasant square, just to erase the pawn in case of double pawn push, to set up the peasant square, and so on. So let's start with parsing fen. So parse fen, I just want to parse the tricky position. So let's try to grab one. So tricky position here, copy, and paste. I just want to put a pawn on the 7th rank to make sure that promotions are stored correctly. So let's also print the board and yeah, creating the move list. Now let's generate moves, and at the moment generate moves function doesn't take any arguments and doesn't actually excuse me. Okay, I can just get rid of this entirely. I don't need this. Yeah, just leave the add move list. Okay, hold on a sec. What's kind of going on here? Oh, just forgot a comma. Okay. So we have this moves being printed within the generate moves, and we're just specifying if any flags are available. So now we need to encode this into a move itself using the encode move macro we've created a couple of videos ago, and also add all the moves to the move list in the encoded to integer format. So when we start, okay, but I'm just wondering, so it shouldn't print. Okay, so this goes from the random part of the memory. It could give a yeah, segmentation fold as well. Yeah, so we need to initialize the move count, but we need to do this within the generate moves itself. So generate moves. Okay, so here the very first thing to do is actually to initialize the move count. And we can say, well, we need to add this moves pointer to move count argument to our move generator, and now we can say simply like move list count equals to 0, like this. Save, and now it shouldn't give this weird stuff. Okay, and now we need to pass the move list to move generator as well. Okay, move list undeclared. You kidding me, man? How can this be? Oh, why move count? Move list. What have I done? Okay, yeah. So, but we don't have any moves within the move list. Okay, and yeah, just to make, just want to find my print move list function. So let's say like do nothing on empty move list, So let's say if and move count, move list count, if not move list count, in this case just print f no moves in the move list. Okay. And return. Okay. Yeah, now this is great. So, okay. Now let's go to generate moves, and actually starting from now we can already start adding the moves to the move list the following way. So here I just say add move, and it takes the move list as the first move list pointer as the first argument, and then we need to use our encode move macro in order to get our move stored within the move list. So we're taking the source square, then we're taking the target square, then we're taking the piece. So the piece is stored within the piece variable here. Okay, then we need to take care of promoted piece, and this would be like queen, rook, bishop, and knight. And then it's not a capture, it's not a double pawn push, not an passant, and not castling move. So let's have a look. It now should print the first move. Okay. So black, so white pawn is queening, not capturing, no, not, and this queening here. Okay. So I just now want to make this for all the moves available, but here we'll have the rook, bishop, and knight. So let's check this. Okay, I'm just wondering why. Hold on a sec. Why it prints this total number every time? Print move list. Oh, what have I done? Obviously, I need to print this at the very end, actually like this. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, just it was a bug from the previous part that I didn't see. Obviously we need to print the total number of moves outside the loop within the move list. Sure. Okay. And yeah, now we have to white pawn's queening, rooking, like goes to bishop and becomes a knight. Okay. Okay, good. And it's still available here, but we now just get rid of that. Generate. So now we just get rid of from this part, and we'll have the moves, but yeah, not printing them within the move generator anymore. Okay, now let's go for. So here, source square and target square are the same. Piece is the same, and this shouldn't be a promoted piece. Okay, now just copy this. So this is the com move. So let's check this. Okay. Okay, now we got this one little disaster. So we need to alter our print move list function a little bit. So let's go for print move list. Okay. So here promote a piece, so copy then paste. So if there is a promoted piece, in this case we just want to print it, otherwise we just want to print the empty space, and this would be the same for Linux and for Windows as well. So just grab this entire line here, promote a piece, paste, and just yeah, so it's not a matter of printing the piece, right? So this should be literally the same. Okay, now the layout has been fixed. Perfect. Okay, so the compound moves, so no flags, no capture, no double pawns. Okay, now let's go for generate moves back, generate moves, and here, okay, here we need to alter two things. So first, instead of target square, it would be target square minus A, because this is the double pawn move, and it's not a promotion, but this is the pawn start flag, so we need to set this flag to true. Okay, and so let's check this. So we got this A2, A4, it's a pawn. Hold on, it's not a capture, sorry, the wrong flag. This should be. So you see like how handy this print move list function is. So I can already check if I did put the flag correctly or not. So I need to put this double pawn flag. Okay, so A2, A4, double pawn push, G2, G4, double pawn push. Okay, so let's move on. Now we're coming here, so we can actually grab this part, and the only difference would be to add the capture flag along the way here, like this. Let's have a look. Oh, sorry. So we got this b7 to a8, queen, rook, bishop, knight, and we got this flags been set to as true within the capture flag. So these moves are captures. Good. Okay. So now we can get rid from this prints. Okay, and the next thing to consider would be, so just copy this one, would be the regular capture. So the capture flag remains the same, we're not promoting to anything. So let's have a look. So we have this capture G2 captures H3, which is true, which is the capture, and we have also E5, D5 captures to E6. So D5 captures to E6, which is correct. I need to be incredibly precise here, because all these flags are incredibly important, otherwise the move generator won't be working correctly. Okay, and now I want to set up the in passant here. So instead of the target square, it would be the target in passant. Source square, target square, so target in passant, and it would be a capture, because in passant is a capture actually, but I also want to set up this in passant square, in passant flag. So let's, well, actually, hold on a sec, why did it okay, just hold on a sec. I have no idea why the number of moves changed from 17 to 16. What have I done? This is a little bit strange, to be honest. Okay. Okay. Well, anyway, well, it's actually better go and test everything, so to make sure. Just in peasant, yeah, so this is the in peasant flag. Okay, so we don't have an in peasant flag because we don't have any probably, okay, forget this. Okay, so let's try to specify the in peasant square to say c6 artificially here, and it should be adding the move within in peasant square. Okay, d5 captures to c6, setting up the in peasant square. Good. It should be 48 moves when we restore the original tricky position. There should be 48 moves there. I'm just testing the flag being set up correctly within the peasant. Okay. Okay. So adding the capture here, and in peasant here. Should be right. Okay, now we going for castling moves. So castling moves. So it's not a source square and target square, it's just e1 to g1 piece, and this should be a castling flag. So let's see. Okay, e1 g1 queen king, and castling flag is available. Okay, copy, same here, but already e1 to c1. Okay, 2 castling moves, perfect. Save. Okay, so now let's switch the position to black pieces. Let's move the in peasant square equals to a3 to test the ab move with an in peasant square. Okay, so shouldn't be anything at the moment. Okay, and now we go for black pieces. So yeah, I can use this. And the only difference would be the lowercase pieces: queen, rook, bishop, and knight. Save. Hold on a sec. Why doesn't it populate in the moves? I'm really wondering. It's black to move. This side to move is actually black. This is really getting strange, to be honest. Let me just adjust the screen brightness because it's crushing my eyes. It's evening out there. Okay. Oh, that's because we don't have a pawn in the proper place. So let's restore the original tricky position and make the a3 in peasant, make it black, and make this pawn black. Okay, now we have g2, g1, black pawn. Okay, queening, no flags. Yeah, okay. So the next thing, so let's get rid of this. Okay, so source square, instead of the target square we need to use target square plus 8, because this is the double pawn push, and it's not a queenie, it's not a promotion, and the double pawn push flag to be set up there. Oh, sorry, no. Or hold on a sec. Why do I set up the double pawn push before single pawn push? Okay, sorry. So here just the target square piece, and but what about the other pawns? Hold on. I have no idea why d7, d6, all this pawn moves. Why don't they get added? Okay, so just got rid of them. Okay. Oh, hold on. They're just going before. Okay, c7, c6, d5. Okay, so no flags. Yeah, just the order is different. Okay, so source square, target square, piece, and all the flags equal to 0. Okay, good. Now here it should be c7 to c5 double pawn push, d7, d5 double pawn push, g6. What? g6 to g4. No, it's definitely wrong. Hold on a sec. What do you mean g6, g4? Oh my god. g6, g4. What are you talking about? Hold on a sec. Hold on. g6 going to g5. Okay, let's start from the very beginning again. So I just want to take this. Oh, that's because, oh my god, I've just realized why this has happened. Because of the if statement. Yeah, so I just need to copy, paste, make a flag, and get rid of this one because we don't have any curly braces within the if statement. That's the reason. Okay, c7, c7, c6, c7, c5, double pawn push, and that's it, right? So is the c7, c5 the only double pawn push in the position? It seems like. Okay. Okay. So let me check. Okay. So now let's go to captures. So here I want to add captures. Okay, so G to H1, G2 to H1, all the captures. Okay, good. So now here, so it's just a casual capture, so we're not promoting anything. Save. Okay, B2 captures to C3 and E6 captures to D5. Only two captures. Captures to D5, E6 captures to D5, B4 captures to C3. capture. E6 to D5, yeah, B6 captures to C3. Yeah, it seems like it's fine. Okay. So move list, source, target, piece, the same. So no promotion, capture. Okay. So now the in passant square. So here we also need to add this in passant flag and use the in passant target instead of the target square. So let's have a look. But hold on a sec, why didn't he actually... So A3 is an in passant capture. So he should have... Why didn't he generate that? Oh, he did generate that. But why it was 16 moves? Oh, the number of moves was 16 because even though it didn't print this, it had... Okay. Or... I'm slightly confused with this numbers, to be honest. Okay, source, target in passant, and capture flag and in passant flag. In passant, B4 to A3. I'm a bit confused regarding the total number. It's probably missing something, not sure. Okay, so let's get done with this add move first, and then we'll see what's going wrong, if anything is going wrong with our total number, total moves number, taken from move list count variable. Okay, so now it goes for castling, right? So castling this flag. Okay. And the pre-coded stuff. So from E8 to G8. Let's have a look. Okay. E8, G8, castling. Okay. And E8, C8, castling. Okay. So castling is not a capture, not a double pawn push. Okay. So here we have the captures. Come moves. Captures. And in passant capture at the same time. Okay. Just a capture, and double pawn push. Well, seems to be fine. So now we would go for the rest of moves. So source square and target square would always be the same. Piece is the same. 0, and the only thing that would have a difference would be the capture. So just copy this one, get rid of this one, so see if any knight moves are about to appear. Okay, and now I just want to add some knight captures like this. So knight captures should appear. Okay, Okay. And now come bishop moves. Okay, and some bishop captures. Okay, a6 takes e2. Good. Okay. So rook white moves. There shouldn't be any rook captures. Shouldn't be any rook captures, but hopefully capture for 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so hopefully didn't miss the flag. Place the place where to put a flag. Okay, so so calm. What a piece is this? Calm. Queen move. Okay, and some queen captures. Don't we have a queen captures for black pieces? I'm just wondering, really. Oh, probably we don't, because probably we don't. Because black pawn isn't capturing anything really. So we'll now go for white pieces, and and then just see if that works. So here and the capture. 51 move. Okay guys, so now I just want to restore the original tricky position one last time, hopefully. So tricky position, and it should be white to move and 48 moves, and we got this 48 moves. Okay, good. So I would definitely check this one more time before proceeding to the next videos within this series to make sure that I did everything correctly, because it just could have made some typo during copy pasting, and the perf test won't forgive you this typos, if any. So I'll make sure to check that out. You can do this as well on your side. So I hope the logic of what I've been doing here is quite pretty clear, especially having this print move list function available quite pretty nicely. Well, probably the only thing I would like to add one more print move list. I would like to add one more space here, and here. Okay, and here and here. Almost. Total number something. Oh, just here. Okay. So let's quickly walk through this. So d5, d6, calm pawn move, d5, e6 takes a capture. Okay. a2, a4 double pawn push, g2, g4 double pawn push. Some captures. e5 takes on g6, e5 takes on g6. Yeah, some random. Just checking out some random moves. a3, h3, f3, h3 check, h3 takes. Yeah, so don't have any peasant here because we don't really have them. Okay, couple of castling moves. Seems like. So yeah, this is kind of it. I just one last check. I want to check this on if it still works the same on Windows, and then we can say that we're done here. So just one last little check, little test. Okay, yeah, it doesn't even allow me to scroll, but still we have this. Yeah, oh, hold on a sec. Why don't we have this total number in the wrong place? It's a bit weird. Hold on a sec. Yeah, this is really strange. We have this total number anomaly indentation, but on Windows for some reason. Well, it's not. That big deal. So, just want to have a look one more time. This is a bit strange, but anyway, it works. So the main thing that it just prints the pieces that are moving, and the flag seems to be nice as well. Okay. Okay. So probably just add some indentation here. Oh, hold on. Well, it seems to be right. Just want to have the same distances between this table elements like that. Okay, and yeah, just want the one last thing is to start from capture. Yeah, now it's perfect. Okay, now this is really perfect. Okay, yeah, so well, okay guys, so this is it from my side. I will also double or even triple check whether the add move function is being called correctly all along the way, because if not, again, like this, there would be a real disaster within the make move function, and we won't pass the perfect test if the add move function adds some wrong flags. So I just really want to make sure that that is actually working properly, and then we'll go for, well, I guess, well, maybe not instantly from make move, but we'll probably first draft a couple of macros to preserve the board state and restore it back. That would be used in the make move function itself as well, and then we'll probably go for our make move function. So again, like, I really need to check up all this stuff to make sure it kind of works properly, and if it is, then we'll go further on. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate your patience within this series, and thanks for watching. Until the next time, and take care.